So in this video we're going to deal with the fasteners going into this assembly. There are four of them going into that position, two of them in that position and two in that position. Then there are two going into these holes on both sides. However, I'm going to make a small change on this expandable pipe. So to insert a fastener, you need to go to the libraries here for the fasteners. We have like these ones are generic inside the software, and then we have this insert masters, part 4 card, and then trace parts. In here you can find different parts, but you need to register with those websites so that you can be able to get the parts. For this purpose, I'm going to just use the insert fastener. And just to narrow down the search, I'm going to put the number, the ISO number for this part, which is going to be 47, ISO 4762, which is a hexa socket screw. And then we'll just click on that one, change this to M8, and then make sure that the length is in so M8 and length of 20. So that's finished. Then I can go ahead and insert. So all I need now is to zoom in. Then I go at the bottom of those holes and I go putting. That should be all. So I click OK. So these four are already there. So these ones are a bit longer. It needs 4 millimeters on the head there, but I'm not going to go into that now because the aim of this is actually 2D. Now this one, these holes have been put in a cosmetic form. So instead of doing in context like I did last time, I'm going to go to the actual modify it, and you see that even the assembly is modified. So just go down here and delete this hole, and the hole deleted. I don't think we need even that sketch. And then I'm going to make an offset sketch. You drop down this menu, look for target plane, tangent plane. Then I'm going to pick that face, and that will be where I'm going to make the hole, because you cannot make a hole a sketch on the round. It always has to be a plane, and I want it to come from the each end because it's going to form a thread. So I pick a point, put the point somewhere there. The dimension of the point is 14 millimeters from the top. Tool. What we need is a top thread. So I click on the hole. We need an M6 profile, and I'm not going to make it very long. I just want it to go through one side. I don't want it to go through the other side. Then I'll mirror on the other side. And then I click OK. So that's okay on one side. If I go the origin now and pick the plane which will make the middle of the pipe, and then I go to mirror. The plane is already selected. What I need now is the feature. So make sure you change this from anything layer components bodies the feature. Then I click in the feature. Now you're going to see the feature there and the plane selected, and I click OK. And this one now, if you zoom in, you can see on both sides there is a thread. Now let me close this one and see if it adds anything. I'll close that one, and then I go here. Now I can see it's already showing a yellow mark there, which means that this one has to be updated. So you can see now this is a plain hole, but if I click on that one, you should be able to change. You can see it has immediate change to a, a tapped hole. Now for this one, we need to put screws. And these ones are called a slotted cheese head. So I go back to insert, I go to fastener, type of screw I'm going to put. It is 1207, which is a slotted one. I'll just choose the one nearest. And then the length, the size is 6 and the length is 10 mils. I think this one on a round surface may present a problem. So what I need to do now is to just drop it in there. It will probably be down here without there. This time I'm going to use joints to fix it. So if I pull it a bit somewhere there, then I pick joint, letter J, go underneath this, pick the side which is going to be in touch with the hole, and make sure that I touch the center there. There is my screw in the wrong place, so I flip it, say okay, that one is already there. Same thing on the other side, or I can mirror it. So if I go to the origin, look for the plane which divides this side, that would be definitely XZ from the tube there. That is XZ. Then I go back, I do my mirror. After I do my mirror, I need to select the fastener which I'm looking for. It should be this recent one. Probably component. Pick it, and go to features again. Features. Pick it. So I think the best thing to do is to bring it in again. Fastener 1207. That's the one. Click OK. Right. Okay. First remove it because I didn't change the length. Fastener 7. 6. Length 10. Okay. That's the bit. Closer. Press letter J for joint. This one around. Look for the center. Okay. And our drawing is now finished. So now we go to the dimension. See you in the next video.